Hey there, fellow Dark Knights. Here's how to find the photo mode save location for LEGO Batman: Legacy of the Dark Knight. I'm sure you're wondering where the pictures you take using the game's photo mode get saved. They're not inside your Documents folder or your computer's default Pictures folder. To find them, go to your desktop and press the Windows key plus R simultaneously to open the Run window. Next, type %appdata % and press Enter. You'll be directed to this folder. From there, move one folder back and look for the folder named Local, then open it. Now this might sound odd because the next folder you're looking for is called Dinner. Open it, click on Saved, then select Screenshots, and finally open Windows. Inside you'll find the photo mode screenshots saved by the game. That's about it. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.